Hi guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to make table of contents in Word. It's very simple and quite easy, so let's get started. So, for making content table, first you need to make some changes to add headings to your content. Like first move your cursor to the main topics or chapter heading, and then from styles on the top here, give it heading 1. And for the subtopic, add heading 2. Just select subtopic and give heading 2. And once you've done all, then go to the blank page, click on it. And then on the top, select the option references. And here you will find the option, Table of Contents. Just click on it and select the table style. So, I am selecting the first one. And that's it. Our table of content are created successfully. Next time, when you make changes in your content or add some additional data, then once again go to References, and here you will find the option, Update Table. Just click on it. And then select Update Entire Table and click OK. And your table of contents are updated automatically. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.